Welcome to today's Business Spotlight, Dear Universe Apothecary. Whether you're interested in candles, crystals, books, jewelry, herbs, or specialty teas, they've got you. And if you want to do an intuitive reading, they can do that as well. So let's speak with Rick and Janine and learn more about this business.
At Dear Universe Apothecary, we have not only an apothecary in the back with over 200 plus teas and herbs, we also have handmade crystal jewelry. We have crystals that we source ethically from the mines themselves, as well as their direct distributors. We also have incense, as you can see. We also carry many tarot decks, oracle decks, and many other things, and services too. We offer tarot readings, Akashic record readings, and mediumship readings. At Dear Universe Apothecary, we want to go ahead and cater to people. We don't want them to walk in and not get the knowledge that they need. So we'll ask them questions to say, what is it you're looking to know? Or what are some of the things that guided you to come here to seek your reading? This way we can say, well, a mediumship reading is best for you, or an Akashic record reading is really where you're going to get the most knowledge and the most answers to your questions. We love Sanford. We've lived in Sanford now for almost 8 years. And this is where we really feel at home. This is Dear Universe Apothecary in this building right now. This is where we are. And we love Sanford, we love the people, and we love the community. So we see growth. More people are coming in. We're servicing many more people here. And we want the community to grow and grow and grow. There's not a lot of places or apothecaries anywhere. So we want to cater to not only that, but also for people who are seeking guidance that maybe feel lost. Maybe they just feel that they don't know where to go, or they have nobody to talk to about it. Well, that's what we're here for.